Hey y'all, so today I'm just going to be showing you the screen recording of me designing these flyers using Canva. It's just going to be the complete, I screen recorded the whole process. So this video is going to be very long because when it comes to me building flyers and making designs and stuff, it always takes me a super long time. So yeah. All right, so the first thing you have to do is pull up Canva on your phone. So that's exactly what I'm doing now. Usually I work with a blank document. I think at first I was scrolling through to see if I can find a flyer or something like that. But instead at the very top, I clicked on the three dots at the very top right hand side. And I see here online, when you work on Canva online, it allows you to select the dimensions by inches, but here it's saying pixels. So I was going to do 7 by 5, but I decided to do 700 by 500, hoping it comes out about the same as 7 inches by 5 inches. But yeah, so after I do that, I'm pretty much just playing around with everything, because I don't like this whole video. I don't know what I want to do, so it's a lot of, trial and error. So what I did, I'm trying to pull up an old graphic so I can use the same pink color in all of my flyers. So as you know, when you have a brand, a part of your brand and branding yourself is choosing set colors, a set color scheme for your business, and you want to make sure you use that color scheme all the time. So there's a certain color of pink that I use. So I'm trying to find a graphic where I can click on the color pink and it will give me the code, because I'm looking to use that code. So I just have to scroll down a bit, click on the pink color, get the code, copy it so I can paste it over to my new design. All right, and everything else is pretty much me just playing around with graphics, adding shapes and stuff like that to the image, well, to the flyer. So I don't think I really have to explain this. I think all of this is pretty much self-explanatory just by watching the video. All right, so now I'm trying to find a picture of the crown. It's a picture that I uploaded to my Canva. And I pretty much found this picture on Google. I just typed in transparent crowns and searched through their images. And this was the image that I was able to save. And so I saved it to my phone. I uploaded it to Canva. And now I'm adding it to the flyer. And then now as you can see, now I'm adding in some text. All right, so I have a feeling someone's going to ask me, how did I get everything to be in that font and for it to be a glitter text? Is pretty much, I have a YouTube tutorial showing how I do glitter text using Paint Shop Pro, and I pretty much saved it as a transparent image and sent it to my phone. And once I sent it to my phone, I was able to upload this image to my Canva. So I think it's a really good touch. When it comes to branding, you want to be able to use the same fonts. So if I'm telling my queens that they are everything, I want to make sure everything is in the same font as everything Ebony is with my logo. So pretty much this flyer is done. So I saved it as a PNG file. PNG files pretty much allows you to have quality images after you save them. And now I'm about to start making the other side of my flyer. All right, so just as before, I'm going to create um, a blank flyer by typing in the dimensions. So a custom design, that's what they call it. And I'm just going to type in 700 by 500. And then I am going to use that same pink color that I've been using. And just like before, everything else is going to be explanatory. Just by watching, you look and you should be able to see exactly what it is that I did to create my flyers. The glitter borders that I am creating right now is basically being made by an image that I uploaded. I just did a Google search for glitter, silver glitter, and I saved the picture, and then I was able to upload the picture to my Canva, and I'm using that picture to make the glitter borders that you see now on my flyer. All right, so what I'm about to do, I'm actually about to add a phone to my um, flyer. So all you want to do is search phones under graphics, or you can search photo filler. Either or works. The only thing about adding phones or any type of photo holders, that's what it's called, photo holders. Adding phones or any type of photo holders when you're using your mobile app, so the app on your phone, this feature doesn't work the way it's supposed to. Because the way it's supposed to work, you're supposed to be able to drag your photo inside of the cell phone or inside of any of the photo holders, and it will place it perfectly inside for you. When you're using your app, it does not, like, that function does not work. So I'm gonna have to do it the bootleg way, which y'all will see coming up shortly. Okay, so right now I'm looking for a photo to put inside of the cell phone. I clicked on the photo, and as you can see, instead of the photo fitting perfectly inside of the cell phone, the photo completely took over the cell phone. And that is not how it's supposed to work in Canva. It's a glitch they need to fix. So what I did, I duplicated the phone, and then I selected the image again. That way the image will be more of a perfect fit so that I can put it inside of the cell phone like I just did. But the way you see it right now is the way that, like, that's the way the photo filler is supposed to work on its own when you select a photo to go inside of it. It's supposed to fill in the photo on its own. I will say it does work correctly when you are using a computer. So if you work with Canva on a computer, it will work perfectly for you. But for some reason, when you're doing photo holders on your app, it does not work at all. And to add the social media icons, all you have to do is click on graphics, and then you're going to search the social media site. So all I did was search Facebook, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to search Instagram. All right, you guys, and I'm pretty much done. I created both sides of my flyer. If you haven't watched my video on how to print out your flyers from home, make sure you definitely check out that video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you check out my other similar and related videos.